Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. The good old Bitcoin, and the good old Bitcoin right now is we're still in it. I'm just thinking about a few things that I want to mention through here, right? The first thing I want to mention here is that we're still in a very big sort of downward sort of motion through here, all right? A very big downward trend. We've just been going down for quite some time, all right? And so let's go through there, all right? So we've been just going down for quite some time. The big key areas I'm looking for on Bitcoin is around that probably. We definitely have that sort of 29, 30,000 level area through there, as you can see. So that'll definitely be the key area I'll be watching for to see if we do get a bit of a rally back to that level. Yeah, just by looking at that lowest level through there, that'll be that level that I'm really keeping an eye on for. Let's go back in time. Yeah, so probably around that level through there. The big key thing you're watching for right now, and this is the reason why I really like moving averages, because they give me a good guidance, right, of what's going on. As you can see, look at this here. So we got this sideways movement, but what was the moving average doing? Moving average was what? Look at how strong that is on the downside. See that there? And then we got a drop. We've got a moving down, but what's the moving average still doing, right? We're still trending down through here. So we're not even getting a turning around of that moving average through there. So this could just be some sort of a bit of a little bit of a pop to the upside before we start to see another move on the downside. The big key areas I'm watching for on Bitcoin though, on the good old Bitcoin, is, let me take the moving average off the screen now because I don't need to use that. The key areas I'm watching for are probably this key area through here, because if we do get, as you can see, that on the short-term level of price action, we can see we had a lot of resistance through here and a lot of resistance through here. The market popped back up, came back down, and we had a lot of support. Now we broke back up. If this is going to be some sort of a fake out, little bit of a short-term fake out, we're probably going to get back down to the bottom level through here, and we're probably going to start to see probably something going on like that level through there would definitely be that level through there. I wonder if there's actually a bit of a channel going on right now from that level. Well, there you go. Like that's what we're experiencing, right? So that level through there, that level through there, that'll be that level through there. So we're definitely in sort of a bit of a channel here right now. So on the scheme of things, as you can see, right, if we start to get back below this channel through here, this is just going to be a big pullback, because we still are overall down, up, lower, high, down, up. This still could be some sort of a major lower high here. And if we do get something like this, then guess what? Now we're probably going to get that one more big crack in the crypto market. So one more big crack in the crypto market still could be coming. And then by looking at this, we can see how that the market through here, right, this 11,000 level is that next major level on the crypto market. I still believe there's going to be one more big crack and a washing away effect in the crypto market. And Bitcoin, see this major level back here on the week. This is the weekly chart now. So we've got that sort of, call it 10,000 level or 11,000 level. Got that 11,000 level back here. So that's the reason why if we do, this is the weekly chart, if we do start to crack back down again after this pullback, well then guess what? Now, and if I can notice this here from a bear flag formation as well too. So if I use the bear flag sort of projection, if it does, this is if it does break out to the downside, guys. I'm not saying it's going to, but if we do hold here, even if we do get a little bit more rally back to the upside, but then we come back down, because that's what I can do sometimes. The market can do something like this. The market can break out through, market can break out level through there, right? That level through there, that level through there. The market can do something like that, and then give you a little bit of a false breakout to the upside of this channel, and then start to see a bit of a flushing effect on there. That's what the market does. It creates a lot of false breakouts. So a breakout is not always a true breakout. But looking at that level through there, if we do start to come back down, say we break that level through there, then it does look like we're going to get down to, this one's saying around the 8,000 level. Let's actually go look at that level through there. Let's go to the weekly chart, see if there's actually anything down there around that 8,000 level. Okay, so I can see that 8,000 level. There may be some 3,000, right? So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys, when it comes to good old Bitcoin. It's really, really, really interesting to see what's happening through there. Let's go have a look at Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum's getting very strong bounce, but remember, who's in control right now, guys? Who's in control? Is it a pullback or is it a changing trend? So right now, we're getting this very strong movement up. Now, one thing that is a mistake is, as you can see, we're getting this sort of sideways movement. We're getting a short-term upward move. Oh my goodness, it's an upward trend. Here we go. One of the best things, if we're trading the daily charts, go look at the weekly charts. All right, so look at the weekly charts. Now we can see, all right, where is the trend and what's going on? Oh, we can see what? We can see a high, and then the market came down, low, rallied up, lower high, down, low, rallied up. We could be getting what? Another lower high coming in soon. So, and especially by looking at this level through here that I'm looking at right now, that major, so you can see back in the past, that hole where it is right now is indeed a strong level. See how it actually had a lot of rejection points back here. So that's the reason why it looks like it's actually stopped where it is right now. Because what? Because many times in the past, it's actually done that. Remember, we're in a downward trend through here. Okay, so we're in a downward trend, and so by looking, see what it did just there, and so now by looking at that, you can see how that sometimes we get these strong rallies, a bit of a fake out, and then we start to dump it back down again as well too. And the market does this. The market creates these patterns all the time, and we've always got to be flowing with the markets. Like what I said with Bitcoin, how that flag formation could create some sort of a false breakout. So by looking at that level through there, if I go to the weekly chart now on Ethereum, I can see how that there is also a longer term level of support coming down through here. So let me just bring it up on the daily charts now to see that level through there. Okay, so we do have a bit of a long-term resistance level up through there as well. So that'll be the key area. But right now, we're definitely at a strong area of resistance. So I wouldn't be too surprised to start to see this level start to get a bit of a knockback down when it comes to the Ethereum market as well. Because remember, nothing has changed here yet. And this is always a big thing. And this is where you can see this rally through here. And then what happens is the market will create this effect of where it's like, oh my goodness, we're starting to get a very strong bounce. Here we go, the market's in, and in this point right here, people think the market's getting ready for a reversal, and then the market drops, we get a strong reversal. What we want to see is if the market does rally, we want to see the market have a bit of a pullback, and then guess what? And start to create that higher low. Now we're starting to get that reversal coming into place. That's the Ethereum market through there. Let's have a quick look at the other ones, such as Cardano. Cardano has actually been doing absolutely nothing. Let's have a look at that level through there. Again, let's just take that off the screen. So again, Cardano, high, bit of a lower high, and now we're just going sideways. I'm actually looking for a short on Cardano. I have been now for a while, and the reason why is very simple, is we're in a very big, strong downward trend. We've been going sideways for all this time through here, and if I go back to my daily charts, I can see how we've been getting this sort of sideways movement through here. So if we do get something like this going on real soon, something like that, a big strong bar, big strong flushing effect, then that tells me we're now getting ready for possibly a move back down towards that $6 level. So I'm actually looking for a potential short. No, I'm actually looking for a short setup on the Cardano, on the Cardano. And let's go have a look at Dogecoin for last off the list here. Dogecoin once again, and as you can see, right, the market, once the market starts to create these lower highs, high, lower high, lower high, nothing through there, lower high, and we're going sideways as well too. So Cardano, Dogecoin, pretty crazy, isn't it? Is that level through there. The next level is probably, where's it at right now? 1 cent. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So Dogecoin is absolutely been destroyed. So anyway, traders, that's a bit of an update for me. I hope you enjoyed all of this here. Traders, if you do need some help from me, I'm giving away free access to my trading course. If you do need help, then I'm giving away for a limited time. I'm giving away free access to one of my top breakthrough trading course. And if you go to johnsfreegift.com, you can actually get access to that. Speak to you soon, guys.
Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.